everybody. My name is Jim Reifus. I'm an executive coach from MAPS Coaching. I'm glad to be with you today to share my favorite of the 6 personal perspectives, and that's number 6, be accountable. Let's first talk about what accountability is. Many people tell you they want to be held accountable, yet we as coaches can't hold people accountable until we know what that means. I had a great leader at Keller Williams once in a team leader mastermind tell me that accountability isn't a stick. Accountability is awareness. So I want you to think about that. Accountability equals awareness, and it's nothing more than, did you do what you said you were going to do? That's accountability. So let's go to the model on accountability that's in the 6 personal perspectives. You'll see it back on page 95, and it says, here's the accountability session model for consulting and coaching. 1, what was your goal? Or what is your commitment? 2, did you do it? How did you do? 3, what do you feel about this? What do you feel about whether you accomplished it or you didn't? And then lastly, number 4, based on how you did, what is your new goal and what do you need to do to achieve it? Right? Now the questions off that last question are just simply 2. First one is there anything that might keep you from doing that? And number 2 is, if you needed training or support to accomplish the goal, what might that be? So accountability is first and foremost an attitude and an approach to your entire life. An accountable person says, everything in my life is a result of my choices and actions, and I own my life. Accountability is also a tool for continually changing the results in your life in those areas that matter the most, or in Keller Williams speak, your 20%. A person who's accountable in their 20% says, I own my life, and in certain areas, I want to continually improve my results. I'll be purposeful, and I'll be learning-based to continue improving. Lastly, but certainly not least, take a look at this in the materials in the very back of 6 personal perspectives under Be Accountable. It's the accountability chart. This is great to work with team members of your team when they're coming to you as victims, and helping point out to them without calling them a victim, what side of this chart are they on? Are they on the victim side or on the accountable side? Use these tools, use the 6 personal perspectives to help lead your people and to help lead yourself to be more accountable. Thanks for listening today, and go out and be accountable.